Alright guys, in this video I will be showing you real quick how to use the the Novproxy proxy on SuperProxy. Okay, I will show you how to buy the CD key from two different websites, and also how to load the CD key, and how to generate IP, and how to use the IP on SuperProxy. All right, let's begin. So first thing you have to do is come to the website Novproxy, novproxy.com. So when you're on the website, you create an account. Okay, I've already created an account. I don't want to go over the whole process again. You know how to create an account. If you don't know how to create a proxy account with a website, you shouldn't be here. Okay, so once you create an account, you log into your account. You're going to come to your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, you will see this is your dashboard. So you click on this menu button by the top left. Okay, so once you click on the menu button, you are going to see all these options here. Okay, so this option is the option you're going to use to redeem CD key. All right, so after redeeming the CD key for the plan we are going to buy is the short-term residential IP. Okay, so let's get to buying the CD key before we come back here. Okay, okay, but before we do that, let me show you. So since your plan is to load the CD key for now, so let us click on this CD key. All right, now we've clicked on CD key and we're on the CD key redemption page. Okay, as you can see, I already have redeemed a CD key and I have 100 IPs on my balance. Okay, this is my balance for the IPs, and I have 100 IPs on my balance. So now I'm going to show you how to buy your CD key. So after buying your CD key, you are going to come here and redeem it. You input the code here, you put the code here, then you click on this redeem button and it will redeem, and you will see it on your balance. All right, so after redeeming the CD, before what's it called, let me show you where you're going to buy the CD key. If you don't know already, you can buy the CD key from proxy.theprice.com.ng. Let me enter it, proxy.theprice.com.ng. Okay, once you're on this website, you scroll down, scroll down till you see Novproxy. This is Novproxy. So you click on Novproxy. It has opened. There are two plans here. The Novproxy 10 IP plan, which goes for 1,600. Then the Novproxy what's it called, 25 IP plan, which goes for 3,200. All right, so whichever one you want, you can add it to carts. You add to carts and buy. All right, you get your CD key on your dashboard. All right, you get your CD key on your dashboard after this. All right, so what else? The second website you can use is proxyvendor.com. Okay, proxyvendor.com. This is it, proxyvendor.com. Okay, so once you're on this website, you can click on this menu by the top here, this menu button here. Once you click on it, you should be able to register or log in. Okay, so once you register, then you come back here. Since you are planning to buy Novproxy, right, you click on this Novproxy right here and you select the plan you want to buy. You see the 10 IP plan is 0.9 USD and the 25 IP plan is $2. Right, so after buying the CD key from these two websites, and the next thing you are going to do is to head on back to the Novproxy and redeem your CD key here. Like I told you initially, you put the code that you are given here, then you click on redeem. Okay, since I already have IP on my balance, I will be going to there. But if you want to buy it from a WhatsApp vendor, you can buy it from us. You come to this, once you are on this proxy vendor, right? Proxy of the price of you see, you will get this notification at the top of the channel, and you, what's it called? Yeah, you get it. You see that you join our Telegram channel, then we'll post a link to a WhatsApp vendor there, so where you can buy it from our WhatsApp store. The next, okay. So after redeeming the CD key, you are going to come to this short-term IP. You click on short-term IP. You click on this username and password mode. So once you're on username and password, you are going to select the country you want. So there are a lot of countries here. You can see plenty countries, but right here I like using UK for my tutorials. So you have selected the country. Let me select the states. Let me look for the city. Which city? London. London. Then this ASN, I'm not going to find any ASN, so let us query. Oh, okay, it has given us a list of IPs, so it's giving us a list of available IPs for this location. So we're going to pick one from here. So let me pick this Sky UK. No, I just know the Sky UK I pick. So I've extracted an IP. Okay, I've extracted an IP. Since I've extracted the IP, let me go to the usage list. After extraction, you go to the usage list, and this is the IP I just extracted. Okay, this is the IP I just extracted. So I'm going to copy the IP and the port. Okay, then I will copy the username and password. If you know how to use a clip proxy, you should be used to this. It shouldn't be a big problem. So right here, I'm going to copy this. This is the IP, the first part before the colon. Okay, is the IP. So since this IP is joined with the port, as you can see here, the IP is joined with the port. So, and this colon is what is separating them. So the IP, then you see this colon, then the port. Okay, this is IP. So anything you see under it is going to be like that. Likewise is how it's going to be for this username and password. This first part is the username, then the second part is the password. This first part is the IP, the second part is the port. Okay, so now let me copy. Let us go and put it in our SuperProxy now. Let me copy the IP and go to my SuperProxy app. If you don't have a SuperProxy, you go to Play Store and install SuperProxy. Go to Play Store, search for SuperProxy, install it. Okay, now I have the SuperProxy already installed. I'm not updating anything. I beg. Not now. Let me finish this video. So once you have you've installed it, you open it, you click on add proxy. All right, you can give it a name or you can just leave it. So since I already copied the IP is the same as the server. You paste it. Okay, let me go and copy the port. So the second one, like I said, is the port. I copy the port. Then you click on this authentication mode, you select username and password. So like I said before, the first one is the username. Under it, you copy the username. Then the last one is the password. You copy the password. All right, let us wait. So everything has been marked, so the next phase is to connect.
Make movies for free. You
uh it doesn't play your advert finish. So we are now connected. You see that we have connected. So let us go and check our IP. Over.net. I'm trying to check my IP, but this is not opening. If you are used to using proxy, you should know that yeah, sometimes you are going to experience issues like this. Like it's very normal with proxy. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to go and generate another IP. I don't have time awake. I don't have IP to waste right now for tutorial. But if you are connected and you see something like this, so you have two options. Okay, if you are connected and your IP is not working, your options are if you are using MTN, you switch to Airtel. If you have two network on your phone, like now I have two SIM on my phone, I can simply switch the data. If it's data I'm using, but currently I'm not using data, I'm using MiFi and I don't have network on my SIM actually. I'm using an Airtel MiFi. So you switch the network or you ask somebody to give you hotspots, then you try it again. Okay, that's one option. Another option is to, since you've used SuperProxy, okay, since we have used SuperProxy and SuperProxy is not loading anything, you can just simply use Tune to Tap. Okay, let me search for the app for you. Tune to Tap. You use Tune to Tap. Let's try and connect it with Tune to Tap and see how it goes. So for Tune to Tap, we are going to do the IP and the port together, with then separate them with this. Okay, then you put the username and the password. Okay, I hope I'm doing the right thing. Did I put the right thing? Authentication, let me check. Password, username, 2288, everything is okay.
looking to meet young and flirty.
So we're connected with the Tune to Tap now. So let us go and refresh this word.net and see if it will work. Okay, you can see our word.net has opened. Like these are two options you can do. This is our IP details. These are two things you can do if you are experiencing issue. You don't start panicking and looking for a vendor. Your vendor doesn't have anything to do for you. Either you switch your network, all right, or you switch the app you are using. Your IP will work. If it does not work after trying these two things, then you just go and rest for a while and work later, because it's likely that the problem is from the IP. You understand? So either you switch your network or you switch the app, it will work. Oh guys, so I think that's that for that. And if you try an IP, if you switch your network, it does not work, you change the app, it does not work, you generate another IP and try again. Try and generate, maybe as you said, look for IP in London now, you try and generate another IP. Okay, so now for some people again, you may generate an IP. Like before, I selected London in that what's it called, and now I'm seeing Sheffield. Okay, it is very normal, it doesn't affect anything. If you check your own network, this for instance MTN, the network you are using, let me disconnect this and see and show you. Let me disconnect. So without using proxy and you check your own network, disconnect now. Without using proxy, let us refresh now and see. You see, my location is showing in Abuja. I am not in Abuja. I am not close to Abuja, but it's showing in Abuja. It's showing Abuja. If you use another proxy app checker, you can see that your location is in Taraba. You see, these are very normal things. With your own normal network, you experience it shows like this. But if you want to have London gone, you spend more money. If your work requires you to see that London gone before you use the IP, you are going to spend a lot of money because you have to generate on that IP. There is no trick about that. You must generate on that IP. So if there is a metric you are looking for and you are not seeing it, you must generate on that IP. That's the thing. Okay, guys. See you guys in the next video. Might sound long.